Welcome to the exam preparation guide for BCS503, Theory of Computation Model Question Paper. This video will help you understand each module, key questions, and how to answer them effectively. Module 1 focuses on finite automata. The questions include designing a DFA for odd number of A's and even number of B's, a DFA for decimal strings divisible by 3, and definitions of alphabet, power of alphabet, and languages. Always support these answers with examples and neat transition diagrams. Module 2 is about regular expressions and finite automata. You may be asked about applications of regular expressions with Unix notations, constructing epsilon NFA for the expression, and minimizing DFAs. Another important concept is a pumping lemma, for example, proving that the language L equals A to the I B to the J where I is greater than J is not regular. Module 3 covers context-free grammars. Here, you must study ambiguous grammars and methods to remove ambiguity. Typical questions include showing ambiguity in a grammar like S produces as or a SPS or epsilon. Other tasks involve designing CFGs for languages with limited A's or at least. Module 4 is based on grammar normal forms. You should know about inherently ambiguous languages, Chomsky normal form, and Greibach normal form. Common tasks include removing epsilon productions, converting grammars into CNF or GNF, and writing parse trees for given strings. Module 5 is all about Turing machines. You need to define the basic Turing machine with a neat block diagram, design machines for palindromes, for A to the power n B to the power n, and for strings ending with 000. You should also be familiar with multi-tape Turing machines and non-deterministic Turing machines, along with their applications. That's it for the BCS503 Theory of Computation Model Paper. Revise DFA, NFA, CFG, PDA, and Turing machines thoroughly. Practice diagrams and derivations, and stay confident during the exam. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exam preparation guides. All the best for your exams.